Hello, this is a quick review of the thermal gun thermometer Acegmet, or I don't know how to pronounce that, model R9. Let's see, it comes with a instructions booklet and the gun itself. As you know, recently the thermometers, the wireless thermometers like this, became more and more common due to COVID. Even though they are in reality, industrial thermometers. They're not supposed to be used on humans, and you will see the warning on this one, not for human use. You can measure human skin, but it will just give you the outside temperature. So what separates this from others is that it has adjustable emissivity setting. In the book, the term radiance actually used. The radiance characterizes the ability of an object to radiate infrared ray. So basically, different objects emits the heat in different way. So we need to keep the gun. Since different objects emit the heat different ways, we need to tell the gun which object or surface we are measuring. And the book comes with a list of surfaces, different materials, all the way from aluminum, brass, copper, the metals, to ceramics, clay, cloth, to ice, water, paper, plastic, and soil. There is basically about 2.5 pages of parameters. You can find these online as well. After you decide what you're going to measure, you basically go into adjustment. You can set the maximum and minimum, high and low alert values, and then here you can adjust the radiance parameter or emissivity. And here 0.95. I searched online. This is for human skin. So again, this is not recommended for human skin because it only shows the temperature, outside temperature of your skin, which is about 90 degrees. My inside temperature would probably be 96, 97. So this is not a good indicator of measuring fever. When I test with other thermometers, it seemed to be accurate. As you can see, I got some hot water in a container, and then I put 2 different probes in there, 2 different thermometers, and they were showing around 140. And then I set the radiant on the device to 0.93, which is the emissivity for water, and I measured it, and it also showed around 140. One thing important to pay attention to is how far you're measuring. If you're too far, the sampling size will be big. For big surfaces like this, it doesn't matter much. It will get each spot, and then it will measure those, and then it will take the average, and you will have something accurate. But if you're measuring a small object, as you see in the picture here, I tried an ice cube, and if I am far from the ice cube, it measures ice cube and its surrounding, and it gets some inaccurate sum average, because it's also measuring the counter in this case. If I get close, all the sampling points will be focused on the ice itself, and as you can see, it shows freezing temperature. It shuts itself off to save battery. It comes with two AA batteries. It's lightweight, and it's pretty good, I would say, and accurate. So if you have any use in the kitchen or in the shop for repair purposes, it has tons of uses. I highly recommend it.